Hi everyone, today we are in a traditional classroom setting, and although this type of learning that you get at the roundtable discussion is great, today we're going to be talking about those opportunities that you can learn the material outside the classroom, either on campus or off campus.
Because St. Mike's is located in Vermont, we have a beautiful state to take advantage of and make into our very own classroom.
The media program will go off campus and make off-campus videos, showcasing the Vermont area. Students may complete an internship off campus doing broadcasting or sports reporting, anything like that. I know people in the digital arts department who have created photography portfolios based around the locations they visited in Vermont. So there's plenty of ways to learn outside of the classroom as well. Doing student research is a huge part of the St. Mike's experience.
If you're inspired and motivated, you can do research at SMC.
And we actually have a summer research program that a lot of students participate in. And it's not just from the science majors, it's people in the education department, the English department, the history department, and more. Research also happens during the school year as well. A lot of our students choose to work at the farm across the street from campus that we own to focus on agriculture and environmental studies.
Being able to come down here in the spring this past year and then all summer has been a really great experience because I've met new people and I've learned a lot of hands-on skills that I didn't think I was getting in all of my classes. So now I feel like I could go work on a farm somewhere and I would know what's going on, and it's a lot of fun.
These are only a few examples of the opportunities waiting for you at St. Mike's. So get ready to explore. There's no better time than now to get your hands dirty.